2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it? It's got high flow cats there and there. Then it's got an X pipe on it, somebody else did. And then it was true dual. Then it had these two mufflers on it, cob mufflers and a dual in, dual out muffler. We took them out and straight piped it all the way back. And then he had 5-inch tips somewhere. He had 5-inch angle cut tips on it. We cut them off and put 6-inch rolled black tips on it in its place. There and there. So it's true dualed with an X pipe, straight pipe with high flow cats. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter LT. And like always, comment, like, and subscribe. And like always, guys, sharing is caring. So if you care, share. All right, guys, so we did this back about 6 months ago, 2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. We did true duals, high flow cats, X pipe, and straight pipe all the way back into 6-inch tips. Well, he couldn't take the noise no more. He said it's too loud. So this is what we did on it. There's the high flow cats there and there. Then he's got the X pipe still on it right there. Then we put on a MAGNAFLOW part number 12469, dual in, dual out, right there. 22-inch body, or actually 24-inch overall, 18-inch body, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. Still has the original tailpipes into 6-inch massive black tips. There and there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the two pieces of pipe that were on it that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. All right, guys, we got a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. As you guys can see, what we did on it, it's been in our shop for a few times. Anyways, it's got high flow cats there and there. Then it's crossed over, true duals all the way. And then we put an X pipe a long time ago on it, as you guys can see right there. And it had the MAGNAFLOW 22-inch body, but it wasn't quiet enough for him. It was just obnoxiously loud. So he brought his own muffler, a BORLA Pro XS, part number 400287. And he said, put it in front of it. We said, okay. So that's what we did. Put a BORLA Pro XS, then MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body, dual in, dual out, or 24-inch body. Is it 18? No, I think it's 18-inch. Yeah, 18-inch, sorry guys, not 24. 18-inch body, then true dual out the back, straight pipe, 2 1/4 on each side, there and there, and then into some massive 6-inch rolled tips, there and there, that he doesn't clean at all. He should clean, but he doesn't. Nasty, I'm not gonna say. Anyways, you gotta clean them. That's what they look like. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for both of these mufflers if you guys want that set up. And the high flow cats too, and the X pipe. Oh my God! What do you think? Yes! Yes! It's alive again! 119. That's phenomenal. Go ahead and back it up. Man, it's hard from. You can feel it in your chest. That sounds so good. Chevy Silverado. Let you guys hear on the inside. Silverado 1500. comparison for you guys. Again, here's sound decibels on it now. Right at 105. Go ahead and back it up. It really gives it a deep tone. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's still loud. Wow. Go ahead. Give it gas. What do you guys think? It's a lot deeper. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. What do you think? You like it?
This one?
Not bad. Again. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Go!